Good morning, good afternoon. Carla Zen Queen here today. And earlier today I posted on Facebook, let me show you, could you use 5,000 free weekly views to your offer? Comment below 5K and I'll show you a fast free method to get traffic to your offer now, right? So this is what I'm going to go over with you. There's a website, it's called IBOTOOLBOX. It's IBOTOOLBOX.com. It's a free website. It's a marketing platform for marketers, right? So you can actually advertise here. In fact, you can advertise free. You can do banner ads like this, or other banner ads like this. These are banner ads, member advertising. And then you can do this textual area down here. And this is really what I'm going to focus on in this training. This is kind of aimed at people that have never done advertising, have no idea how to get traffic to their links, or how to get views. And this is a real fast, free method to get 5,000 weekly views for free. So you're going to want to create an account here. I'm just going to go ahead and log into mine. You can figure that out from IBO.com. Just create an account, and really don't have to mess. There's other training for that. If you need the training on how to set up your IBO account, inbox me. I do have another video, but this video is specifically how to use this to get 5,000 free views per week. Okay, if you click on the credit center, they change out right here is the current credit code. I've already used it, but you would just click here, paste it in here. You want to do it, I call it a courtesy click. Do a courtesy click on one of these, and then just come back to the offer. Don't get distracted. But that actually makes this button, this highlights this checkbox so that you can add your code. You would paste it in there. That's Chris's code. This is a different code that I'm going to show you. But I've already used this, so it's gonna give me an error, right? You already used, and it tells me when. Okay, so but if you just added this new credit code, it would credit you whatever amount. Now those credit codes you can convert. Like you see, I have 4,044 credits, and I have 743 impressions because I have ads running already. So to convert the credits, like it says 4,000, these do times 5 for every credit. Every credit is worth 5 impressions or views, right? So to convert them, you can do 100 at a time, 500 or 1,000. I'm going to go ahead and convert another 100 into 500 impressions. Click that button. So it tells me successful conversion. And then we're just going to click this button, proceed to ads. Like I say, this is don't get distracted. There's a lot going on. There's a lot to click on. But we're here to post a text ad and get out. We want to be, we want to be time aware, right? We don't want to spend all day posting ads. You just get in here and you do it. So currently I'm working with a system called WebWell System. It's a $27 front end product. On the back end, there are some upsells. You get assigned a business advisor, and they kind of walk you through your setup. I like it because it's really good for newbies. I keep calling it I'm bringing it back to basics, right? So this is one of the basic ways that you can get 5,000 views of your offer rather rapidly and with no cost to you except for a little bit of your time. So when your time's important to you, you'll use it wisely. So that's the big thing. Just come in here and just get it done. It's real simple. I'm going to show you the 3 previews of the current text ads I have. The reason that we're only working with text ads today is when you come in here to create an ad, there's several options. And if you're not familiar with running banner ads, don't jump ahead, just wait. I'm going to do another training on banner ads, or if you're in another program that you might be familiar with, Banner Ad Frenzy. Banner Ad Frenzy teaches you how to do these banners not only here on IBO but on a couple other sites, and I am going to be going over some of that in another training. But so I do the text ads because they only cost me 1 impression or view, right? Whereas say a 250 by 250, and that would be your smaller square ones on the side, they actually eat up 5 impressions. And so those have to be more, I don't want to say more professional, but yes, they have to be, you know, more grabbing than your text ads. So this is a real newbie way to, you know, run ads. So if we just click on the ad, create ad, you're going to add a friendly name. So like you see, I got WWS, I got WWS2, WWS3. They're just very generic ad names for me to know which one is which, right? The ad title needs to be short. The ad text needs to be short. There's limited characters. I don't know exactly what they are, but it'll not let you post it. It'll tell you that the title's too long, or that the ad text is too short. So be reading to make sure that you're not, you know, doing errors, or they'll tell you what the error is. And so you see I've got, I'm going to show you the preview of these. They're very simple, right? This is revolutionary. Just a title and a sentence. That's it. Just a title and a sentence. Just a title and a sentence, right? Now this is copy-paste profits. Like I say, if you're in Web Wealth System with me, you know that this is a copy-paste system. And so the rest of the work is done for you. Everything beyond you posting an ad or your link or a video or anything else, everything else is done for you. Right now, this is all you have to focus on. Post the ad and don't worry about the rest of it, right? Just get the ads posted. Start getting some traffic. And as you see, you know, the question would then be, well, does this work? Well, from 11,364 views, 3%, which is a good rate actually on a simple text ad that's, you know, title and one line, 372 click-through, right? 3%. Same with this one. And this one I just started a few minutes ago when I did my first video and ran out of time and messed it all up. And so this one's already getting click-throughs. Now you don't have to worry about what is going on after this, especially if you're in the Web Wealth System with me, okay? Your objective is just get traffic. Otherwise you're jumping ahead in your head and you're confusing yourself because you feel like you don't know what you're doing, okay? All you have to do, one title, one sentence, okay? So again, I'm going to walk you through the create the ad. So you have the friendly name, you have the ad title, you do the ad text like you saw mine. They're real simple. Your website link. So some people go, well, what link should I send them to? Okay, I'm logged into my back office of Web Wealth System. You see this here. I'm just going to copy this link. Copy. And it's going to show you that I've already done this because it will have paste. Right? So there it is. So that's the link you want to use. In your back office of Web Wealth System, you know, just copy it literally is a copy-paste system. So you don't have to do much except for put this link with an ad, you know, somewhere. And the reality is then people go where? Everywhere you can. Especially for free if you don't have money or you're, you know, trying to get ahead without spending ad money. Trying to get some sales without spending that ad money. You can also use this, like, I have a friend, she sells beauty products, right? Like black soap. And so she has a store. She could use this, right? It would be a real simple, do you have a 3-step morning facial routine? And then she could just say, we have, you know, the best beauty products, you know, from wherever. It's that simple. I think that a lot of people do too much thinking and not enough trying. And so literally this is so simple. Title, sentence, your link. Click it on and go. Okay, so once you've converted them and then you've placed your ad, you can turn them on. Like you see, I've been part of IBO for probably 3-4 years. And so some of these older ads, and you can see some of them did really well. Some of them not so much, right? But some of these are also banner ads, right? A lot of what I do is banner ads in here. But you see what I'm doing right now. I got a new opportunity. I want to get 5,000 free impressions to it this week. So what do? I come here every day. You know, the first time I come is one time between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. to grab the early credit code, and then I come back in the evening and grab that second credit code. There's also a site, let's see, here's my notes, right? I posted this in our mastermind group for WebWell system. So if the morning code is worth 50 credits, which equals 250 views. And then in the evening, and this is every day they do this, you get another 50 credits, it equals another 250 views. You can come here and stockpile these credits and not run an ad right away. You can stockpile these till you got 1,000 credits. I wouldn't suggest doing that. I do that once I get ahead of myself, right? I'll start stockpiling them. I don't always use them all right away, but I know if you're just starting on IBO that might be an issue. On Sundays, IBO releases a newsletter that contains 100 credit code. That equals 500 views. So if you do nothing else, grab this Sunday code, right? How you find that is you can click on newsletter right here, and it gives you a credit code. I think I actually have it open in another window. I sure do. So you can scroll down. It's right here, newsletter credit code. News, be positive. I'm pretty certain that I've already used this, but let's check it out. Let me pop this into Credit Center. Redeem here. I'm going to say I already put this in, but nope. So you have to click one of these to get that box to activate. Redeem credit. Oh, see, I did already use it. Alright. Not a big deal, right? But there I showed you again how to do that. Okay, so let me pop up my notes. Okay, so the morning code, evening code, the Sunday code, and then here's the bonus. There's a website called Market with Chris. It's just like this, M-A-R-K-E-T with Chris, K-R-I-S.com. Okay, and if you come to Market with Chris, I'm going to log out of here. You can create an account. It's going to give you a registration page. Set up your account, log in every Tuesday, and that's tomorrow. Again, if you do nothing else, grab this code, because now this code gives you 200 credits. This is changed every Tuesday. So my routine is every day between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. I grab the morning code. Every evening between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. I grab the evening code. I then every Tuesday grab Chris's code. I then every Sunday grab the newsletter code. And those things alone, with creating a text ad like I just showed you how to do, equals 5,000 free views weekly to your offer. Okay? So again, if you do nothing, that Sunday newsletter, and you can go back. If today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, that newsletter code is good until it's replaced the following Sunday. The same thing with the Tuesday code from Market with Chris. Let me type that in here for you. We've got, where do I have that at? Here, it's up here. There's a member. Okay, so I'm just going to type it here so that you have it. Market with Chris.com. Okay? So again, if you do nothing but grab Chris's, if you grab Chris's code, that is worth 1,000 views. Okay? You grab the Sunday code, that equals 500 views. And then you grab these throughout the week and drop them in there and you're rolling. Okay? I would say don't just depend on IBO because it's a quick, fast method. This is just one of those things that you can put into your daily routine. That's a fast traffic that you don't have to worry about. Especially if you're in WebWell system, is just get your link out there. The selling and the automation is already done for you. All you have to do is copy and paste your ads and your link to get paid. Okay? If anybody has any questions about this, you can add me on Facebook. You can send me a text message. You can go to my website, Earn Income with Me. There is a contact form on there.